Are you ready to blow your expectations away? Unveiling the gaming world with Thor and ASUS ROG. Hello gamer friends, on the doorstep of my 50s I decided to shake things up a bit, so to speak. For the past month I've been immersed in the secret world of computer gaming and I have something to show you. What can the old school do for maximum gaming power? Hold on tight, because I'm going to lay all my cards on the table. Forget about ordinary black, dusty boxes under your desk, they are like relics of the past. I've gone through a bunch of options, the perfect look, the perfect performance, and in the end I found it. Meet the high-octane Thor concept chassis from Antec. Solid, aggressive, and designed for the most powerful builds, my friends. We don't have time for compromises, only maximum power. Forget about cluttered cases. Thor with its open-air design provides a wide airflow for excellent cooling. In this case, form and functionality are intertwined like a powerful computer artifact. And that's not all. Panels made of high-quality aluminum, the same material used in airplanes and military developments, guarantee reliability and a unique style that reflects your gaming passion. Imagine this case as your very own gaming aircraft. So, are you ready to soar into the virtual skies? So, let's briefly examine the hardware. Imagine a build based on ASUS ROG, the Republic of Gamers, that's hard not to love. I immersed myself in this world and succumbed to ASUS charm. I chose the i7-13700KF processor to bring maximum performance. To keep everything cool at the highest level, I decided to use the ASUS ROG Ryujin II 240 liquid cooling system. It's like a fairy tale for a true gamer. The heart of our building is the ASUS ROG Z790E gaming Wi-Fi motherboard designed for the enthusiasts. Imagine the ASUS ROG 4080 overclocking gaming edition graphics card, which will bring maximum graphics to the world of your games. DDR5 RAM with a refresh rate of 6800 MHz will provide instant response to all your moves. Adding to the beauty, my friends, I'll use ARGB power cables from Lian V2 Plus for the graphics card and motherboard. And let's not forget about cooling. 5 fans that will bring fresh air into your build are the Cooler Master Halo ARGB. As for storage, a 1TB Kingston M.2 SSD with high read and write speeds. The ASUS Thor Platinum 1kW EVA Edition power supply is an additional guarantee of stable system operation. It will make your build run like a Swiss watch. And of course, what's a gaming build without a good monitor? Introducing the ASUS ROG Strix XG27 AQM, a 27-inch 2K monitor with a 270Hz refresh rate and a half millisecond response time. It's like the embodiment of your gaming dreams, and let your keyboard also match the build style. It's the ASUS ROG Strix Scope RX for those who appreciate not only performance but also elegance. Such a beauty! Hit the like button and ready for an epic dive into the world of games on our Iron Machine. As they say, if you're going to do something, do it with deep inspiration. After all, this compilation of power and style like a real aircraft deserves only the best. Let's talk about sound. The center of attention. Built-in sound on the motherboard is good, of course, but let's leave it in the background like integrated graphics that not everyone wants to use. We always strive for the best, and here it is, the Creative Sound Blaster X AE5 Plus sound card with Dolby Digital and DTS encoding features. This means you'll have an incredibly expansive sound. For the ultimate atmosphere, we connect via optical to the Logitech Z906 sound system. It's like diving into an ocean of sounds without leaving home. Feel the quality of a theatrical scenario right at your place. This 5.1 format speaker system has a peak power of 1000 watts for rich and immersive sound, certified among other things by THX. And believe me, they don't hand out those certificates to just anyone. And to make everything work in harmony, we sync it through Aura Sync and customize adaptive lighting to match your mood. And now, everything is ready. All that's left is to enjoy and experience the true pleasure of our gaming machine. In conclusion, and here we are at the end of our exciting journey. You've got in your hands a top-tier computer configuration designed to handle any task possible. Raise the bar on your gaming capabilities because this monster will meet all the highest demands. Your gaming thirst will be quenched like never before. Inside this stylish case, true cinematic magic will unfold with support for DTS and Dolby Digital. Now, every evening at home will turn into an exciting adventure. In terms of noise level, even when on my desk at head level, I can hardly hear it, even under its peak lows. It's so quiet that you won't even believe it. Maybe it's the magical appearance of this case. The processor temperature stays in check even under heavy loads, 56 degrees in the horizon that we comfortably stay under. Movies, music, games. You are surrounded by speakers whose sound will transport you to a world of new sensations. Even your room will turn into a walk of sonic art. Your monitor becomes a window into the world of all the events happening on the screen. Adrenaline and incredible sensations await you because you are in the center of attention. And when you decide to take a break from games, music will surround you with pristine beauty. And you'll experience pleasure as if you're standing on the concert stage yourself. Now, what about downsides, you might ask? Are there any? The only downside I found was its indecent price. But as they say, it's worth paying for incredible experiences. So if you dream of having your own universe on your desk, look for your gaming republic. Remember, we're always here to help you turn your dream into reality. So welcome to the world of high technology and boundless possibilities. Enjoy, be amazed and rise to the gaming heavens.